Hello everyone! I have recently asked you on Instagram if I should make YouTube video covering my living room setup, and your feedback was enormous. That post received a lot of likes and positive feedback. So here we go, I'm going to give you guys a tour of my living room setup featuring some top-notch tech and stylish furniture. So let's not waste any time and dive right in. Stepping inside our fairly minimalist living room. As you can see, our living room is designed with modern aesthetics in mind. I spend a lot of time here in the evenings and on weekends. It's a place for relaxation, enjoying movies, Apple TV shows and playing video games. I also get some work done here since I have my Artifox desk placed in the corner of the room. I aimed for a mix of beige, walnut, black and white colors. I feel like these neutral and earth tones give it a feeling of warmth and coziness. Based on Instagram, it seems like you guys the most interested in coffee table, media unit and the TV, so let's check out these items first, starting with the coffee table. It's more than just a surface to place your coffee, it's a work of art in my opinion. It's one of my favorite pieces of furniture in the entire apartment. It's from Artifox and is actually a modern bench which can serve multiple purposes, like an entry hall bench or a media unit when you have your TV mounted on the wall above it. However, I personally prefer to use it as a coffee table. It's made entirely from solid walnut, showcasing a beautiful wood grain. To protect its surface, I use a wool felt mat from GrowMate, which complements the walnut surface nicely. I appreciate the two levels it offers, allowing me to organize items conveniently. One side features a steel tray, perfect for bottles, drinks or a nice candle. The other side has a removable canvas pocket for magazines and laptops. The bench isn't just functional, it also adds warmth and character to the room. Now let's move on to the centerpiece of our entertainment setup, the LG OLED TV C2, the 2022 model. This is the 65-inch version, which I believe is the perfect size for my living room. Not too big and not too small. It delivers stunning 4K visuals and perfect blacks, providing a cinematic experience at home. I choose the previous year's model for its affordability. I got it for half the original price when it was first released. The 2023 version LG OLED C3 looks identical with minimal improvements but comes at twice the price. This TV has super thin bezels and an aluminum frame. However, due to its glossy surface and being a full OLED panel, it's not ideal for areas with a lot of natural light. I have automatic blinds on all windows, making it easy to address this issue. The TV also supports 4K at 120Hz, perfect for gaming. I have PS4 connected to it, so while I can't experience the full 120Hz, games still look fantastic at 60Hz. To tie everything together, I have this stunning media unit with walnut elements from Studio Copenhagen. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if they still sell it, but I will provide a link if I find it. Its width complements my TV nicely. I believe a media unit should be wider than the TV for aesthetic balance. It offers enough storage space, allowing me to keep things out of sight. I also house my PS4 here, although I usually keep the door open when playing to ensure it doesn't overheat. On top of the media unit, there is a levitating plant which hovers over a black base using magnetic levitation. Moving on to our sofa. This modern 3-seater sofa is not only comfortable but also adds a touch of elegance to the room. It's from sofacompany.com and goes by the name Gloria, coming in Sofa Company's Danny cream color, a shade of beige. It complements our wool carpet in beige beautifully. The sofa's industrial design is evident in the contrast between its gentle lounge character and the chrome-plated base on each side. When it's time to fill the room with music, we turn to our Bowers & Wilkins Zeppelin wireless speaker. Its unmatched sound quality brings every note to life, and I continue to be impressed by its unique design and aesthetics. The shelving unit on the opposite side of the room next to the desk is from Tamo Design. It's exceptionally sturdy and made from a blend of American walnut and black steel. I maintain a minimalist approach with it, not cluttering it with many accessories or decorations. On top there is lovely Vitra bird, and underneath we have our watches and small items. I like to keep my car keys there as well, as they always bring a smile to my face. The shelving unit beautifully matches my desk, both crafted from walnut with black steel elements. Last but not least, the desk setup. I already created a winter version of my desk setup, which differs significantly from what I showed you in my first video. However, I won't delve into the details in this video. We will save that for a separate video dedicated to the desk setup, coming soon. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Until then, stay tuned and stay awesome, and I see you all in the next one.